Hey guys, how's it going? It's a bit of a bad video today because my bike got stolen. Yeah. Yeah, it's my Suzuki DRZ400. It got stolen last night. Well, this morning maybe. It's the bike that Johnny Cactus had, and then Motomirius bought it off him, and I got it off Motomirius. I got it off Dave. And then I was riding it and I blew up the engine, and I bought a new engine for it. I replaced it, I stripped it down, you saw it, and it got nicked last night. And I'm very pissed off is the right word, I think. I'm really pissed off. It was probably my favorite bike. It was definitely the most fun I had on a motorcycle. Whether it was pulling wheelies or just ripping out, tarmac on the corners, and right now I have just the keys and the indicator left. The indicator I found just outside when the bastards came to nick the bike. They obviously ripped it off, and that's all I have left. I have CCTV footage from a neighbor. White turned up at exactly 58 minutes past midnight, and 1:03 they were gone. It took them less than 5 minutes to load a bike on the back of a van, even though it was chained, locked in a secure garage. Two guys just turned up in the middle of the night. Security lights, illuminated them from every angle. Not a care in the world. They just picked it up, put it in the back of a van, and drove off. Number plate is covered, and the footage, because that night is not clear enough to see their faces. But the two fucking bastards just took my bike, and that's just not right. I fucking love that bike. I've had plans for it. I even bought the off-road wheels for it because it's a supermoto. So I wanted to change the wheels, do some green laning, come back home, change the wheels to supermoto, and go rip some tarmac. But that's not gonna happen anymore because the fuckers stole it last night. I've reported that to the police. It has been insured, so I've reported that to insurance. They're gonna call me tomorrow. But I have a request for you guys: keep your eyes peeled on the Suzuki DRZ400 supermoto bike. It was matte black. That was the only thing about it. It was matte black. Everything has been matte black. Johnny Cactus painted it matte black, and I kept it this way. It was really clean because I stripped it down not long ago. Brand new tires. Matte black. That's about the only thing about it. I'm gonna post the number plates and the chassis number just in case you spot it somewhere. I'm guessing chances are they're gonna rip it apart and sell it for parts, but that's a different story. It's been reported. I'm waiting to hear from insurance, but if by any odd chance you find it somewhere on Gumtree, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace, whatever that is, please let me know. Even for anything, just to fucking catch the bastards that stole it, because motorcycle theft, it's not cool, is it? but you know, it is what it is. If you know anything, if you find anything, please let me know. My email below, contact details below. Keep an eye out if you can. Other than that, guys, have a good weekend. I know I won't. I got a bottle of rum open, and until then, thank you very much. Rock hard, have a beer, look after your bikes, look after yourself, and see you soon.